Hello students, this is Usha, your computer teacher. Today in this session we are going to learn about HTML. In this session we are going to discuss introduction to HTML, sections of HTML, HTML editors, basic tags and attributes. Here we are going to discuss about few basic tags, that is paragraph, bold, italic, underline, center, heading tag, then break, horizontal tag, and attributes of body tag, attributes of paragraph tag, font tag. In this session I will discuss about these topics. Introduction to HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Hypertext is the text which contains link that point to other part of the document or web pages. Markup language is a language which use special elements called tags. HTML uses tags. Tags are building blocks of any HTML program. Tags are not case sensitive, means you can use lowercase as well as uppercase. HTML used to make web pages and websites. A web page is a page which opens in any web browser like Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, etc. and is created using any markup language such as HTML, XML, like that. A website is a collection of web page. Each page in a website in individual HTML document. The first page which open in any website is called the home page. HTML editors are used to write HTML programs. We can use any editors. Every HTML program has two sections. One is head section, another one is body section. This is sample program, basic sample program. HTML head and title tag. We are giving the title. Body tag, we are see that welcome to my page. Close tag of body, then closing tag. Here content of head section, it is coming from that is my page, it will come in this side, and content of the body of the program, it will come in the inside of the web page, right? Then body tag, we are giving no body tag that we can display in our system. Then HTML editors. HTML editors are two types, that is WIS Swig editors, Adobe, like that. Another one is text editors, that is Notepad, Notepad+, NetBeans. Usually we use Notepad editors. Now I use the Notepad. Text editors, we can use Notepad, WordPad, anything we can use. Now regularly we are using the notepads. Then types of HTML tags. There are two types of HTML tags. Empty tag, these tags only has an opening tag. You do not have separately close these tags in your HTML program. Example, break, that is BR tag, horizontal rule bar tag, image tag. For these tags they don't have close tag. Container tag, these tags have opening and closing tag. You have separately closed these tags in your HTML program. Example, HTML head, body, title, paragraph tag, everything we should have a opening and closing tags. Tags and attributes. Tags are the building blocks of any HTML program. Tags are always enclosed with a set of angular brackets. Tags are not case sensitive and can be written in lower or uppercase. Attributes are used to inside of tags for specifying additional information. They specify values for the tags which are placed inside the double quotes. Attributes are always written inside of opening tag, not in the in between tags. Attributes, it is given the additional decorative for tags. Head tag. This tag used to specify the head section of any HTML program. Title tag is contained inside of head tag. It is a container tag. Title, this is a used to specify the title of web page which is displayed on the title bar of your web browser. It is also a container tag. Body tag, this tag is used to specify the body section of any HTML program. All other tags are contained inside the body tag. It is also a container tag. HTML, this is first tag to open the last tag to close any HTML program, first and last. Every tag is contained inside a HTML tag. It is container tag. Paragraph tag is used to create paragraph in any HTML program. It is container tag. There is always one line gap before and after any paragraph which is created using this tag. It is also a container tag. Then bold, italic, underline. These tags are used to convert text bold, italic, underline. Right. Next, center. Center tag is used to bring the text center. Then H1 to H6, these tags are used to mark text heading and subheadings. Then biggest heading, that is H1, smaller is H6. Break, that is used to insert a line, break line in the HTML program. It is used to, if you have long text to be displayed with multiple sentence, you can use this break tag. HR, this tag is used to insert a horizontal line in the HTML program, which is useful if you have a different section in your HTML program. Otherwise you want to separate them two parts, you can use the HR tag. This is empty tag. Now we will see the one example program. Right. First HTML, that is starting we write that HTML tag. Next head tag. In that head tag contains title inside. This is Think Computer. Then body tag. In that body tag we give the alignment, center. All these program lines we should write it in Notepad. Then H1 heading we are giving the little bit big we want, that's why we give the H1, welcome to Usha John YouTube channel. Then we close the underline and H1. Then break, one line break we need, that is we want to bring the content to next line, that's why we use break. Then paragraph should be in italic and bold, that's why we use italic and bold. Then we close the italic and bold tags, paragraph tags, center and body tag, we one by one we close these tags. Then here we are using underline. Then see that here is the output. Welcome to Usha John YouTube channel, that is our heading of that H1, that's why it is little bit bigger. We use horizontal line HR, that's why we saw one line. Then italic and bold we are using for the paragraph. Remaining tags we will discuss in next session. Thank you. Have a nice day.